Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always being here and for always watching, and I hope you do give these videos a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a different way of making your bread. First, I'm starting by chopping some vegetables, green, red and yellow peppers, that is me chopping the vegetables. Then I'm going to crack some eggs. Six eggs. Then I'm going to whisk them, add some salt to taste, then I'm going to add my vegetables. Then some black pepper. Then I'm going to remove the innermost part of this bread. I just need the crust and a little bit of some, how am I going to call it? Yeah, if you look at the video, I know you understand what I mean. Then I'm going to melt some butter in the pan, then add the crust of our bread, and then add the egg and vegetables mixture. And then I'm going to return the part that I had cut off from the bread. So I'm going to place it on the top so that it can stick. Then time comes for flipping the bread, and I'm going to let everything cook. I don't like runny eggs, and I'll never like them. I love my eggs well done, so I'm going to let them cook. I'm going to repeat this process for all the pieces of bread. At some point I had to wash the pan because the butter had burnt and changed its color, so I had to wash the pan first. After everything was well cooked, now I had to plate the bread. This is just another idea of making your bread look better. I don't know the name of this recipe, but at least you know how it's made. For reporters, you know how it's made. And then we're going to nickname it. You'll see at the title the way I'm going to nickname it. So guys, that's all for this week's video. Thank you very much for tuning in to watch this video. Please consider subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. I served this bread with some masala. I hope you've already watched the video of how I made my masala. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.